In this video I show you how to update CarTube to the latest version. Updates can fix bugs and add new features. First of all, uninstall the CarTube and CarTube controller apps. If you can't find CarTube controller, go to Settings, Apps, App List, select CarTube controller and tap Uninstall. Go to the developer options and enable the USB debugging option. Connect the phone to the PC with the USB cable. Download the installer from the official GitHub page. You can find the link in the description of this video. Open the program and follow the instructions on the screen, which are the same as those that you ran to install the app for the first time. Make sure you have enabled USB debugging and installation from unknown sources and confirm a possible pop-up on your phone. Every time you repeat the installation, the installer downloads the latest available version of CarTube. You shouldn't lose your Pro qualification, but if you lose it, try to close CarTube app. Then go to Settings, Apps, Apps List, select CarTube and tap on Force Close. If you are not Pro after execute those instructions, write to developer so he will reactivate you. If you have problems installing CarTube, check in the developer options if there is an option to install from USB and enable it. If you don't see CarTube when you connect your phone to Android Auto, disable USB debugging after installation.